Tune up 6. 6 goddamn months of this shit. I'm just joking. It's fucking awesome. It's making better and better every goddamn time.
I think that worked out pretty well.
I think we did a great job. I would also just like to call attention one more time to fucking Titan over here, who's out here painting mad crazy dope shit. I fucking love Titan. He's so goddamn talented at what he does. Also, shout out Jose, who didn't know that he was going to be helping me run the sound tonight. But I find one motherfucker every goddamn show to go up there and help me out a little bit. We're gonna fucking rock, and I really hope y'all have some fucking fun with us. And with that being said, whenever these guys want to start this first song, it's a cover. It's gonna be fun. They also aren't used to having mics in front of them, so it's gonna be a real fun time for everybody.
Yeah, we can sing.
We can jam a little bit. So much. Time's also doing like, I don't know how many fucking live things tonight. Just going in. It's gonna be a lot of fun.